Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase points accumulation with US Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To increase points accumulation with US Bank, first, familiarize yourself with the types of rewards offered. Visit the US Bank website to explore various credit cards and their specific rewards programs. Select a card that aligns with your spending habits and offers a competitive points accumulation rate. Once you have your card, ensure you enroll in the rewards program if required. Make all eligible purchases using your US Bank credit card to maximize your points. Consider using automated bill payments for regular expenses to consistently earn points. Take advantage of bonus categories, which often provide higher points for specific types of purchases. Stay informed about seasonal promotions that offer extra points for limited time purchases. Utilize the US Bank mobile app or website to track your points and see how close you are to rewards. Take note of any expiration dates on your points to avoid losing them. Refer friends or family to US Bank if your card offers referral bonuses. Check for partnerships with retailers that provide additional points when shopping through their platforms. Review your transaction history regularly to ensure you are capturing all eligible purchases. Adjust your purchasing strategy based on the points structure of your card for optimal earning. Consider combining your points with those from other loyalty programs for enhanced rewards. Participate in special events or promotions that US Bank hosts to earn extra points. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your points accumulation with US Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.